How to change subscription in Hulu. Now all you just have to do is to log into your Hulu account, access your preferred browser, and then go to Hulu's official website, which is hulu.com. Now once you're here, all you have to do is log in, and then once you're logged in, click your profile, and then click Manage Subscription. Now once you're under Manage Subscription, there will be a variety of current plans or offers that will show. So all you have to do to change your subscription is click on a plan that you want currently and then click on Save Changes. Now once you click on Save Changes, you'll be routed to the page in which you need to review the changes before making it official. You'll just have to confirm it again and click on Save Changes again. So that's how easy you change your Hulu subscription.